In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Kodi, get it updated to Kodi 17, and put the new build on it. I was hoping to make this a little easier, but had a lot of trouble. So if you follow along, you're going to be able to do it. And if you have any troubles at all, can't manage to get it done, just get with me, get me the box, I'll fix it up for you. So let's get started. Here we are on the home page. If your home page doesn't look quite like this, just go to your settings section. On this one, it's the one with the gears. It might say settings on yours. You want to click right here. That opens up our menu right here. You're going to go over here and go to apps. Click on that and then find where it says Kodi. Click on that. Right over here, we're going to go down here where it says clear data. Click on that and then click on OK. It'll say computing, and then you'll go to 0 on clear data and on clear cache. Mine's set up a little bit different right here, so mine already says 0. Give it a second, you'll see zeros, and then we'll back out of here. So just back out of this, go to the home screen, and go ahead and open up Kodi. When you do, you're going to see it's going to say preparing for first run. Please wait. And your screen's going to now look like this. It's going to be a blank version of Kodi. Completely clean, nothing installed on it. Now, every once in a while something like this is going to happen. So we can go ahead and click wait. That'll be fine. Right here on this menu, we're going to go down here to where it says System. In the sub menu, we're going to click on File Manager. And then we're going to go here and we're going to add a source. Oh, this version check's going to come up. Just click OK because we're going to update that version. So, add source. This box that says none, we're going to click on that. And in the add source box, you have to type this exactly as I put it down here. If you're watching this video, you can go ahead and pause it, write this down, whatever you need to do. Exactly as I typed it. http://ultrawizard.esy.es/wizard. You'll enter that. Now we need to give it a name, just so it stands out. I like to change this name down here, and I change it to Ultra. That way I remember what it is. And then click on OK. You see there, I have a new source. Now we're going to go ahead and back out of this. We come back to the menu, just click on System. Click on Add-ons. This is our first run. Click on OK. Now go up here to install from zip file. And then you see that new source, Ultra. We're going to click on that. And then we're going to click right here on plugin program ultrawizard.zip. That's going to download the ultrawizard. Give it a few minutes. You'll see it downloads this requests right here. And then the next thing it's going to download is it's going to download the wizard. And you'll know when it downloads it because there's going to be a big pop-up that's going to come up. It's going to ask you if you want to install the build. And this time, because we're updating from Kodi 16 to Kodi 17, we're not going to install the build. So you'll see this screen pop up. You can just go ahead and dismiss. Now here's your build menu. We're going to click Ignore. We don't want to put a build on this right now. We're going to back out, go back to Programs, click on Program Add-ons, and we're going to reopen the ultrawizard. Now, we're in the menu right here, and you'll see right here, we're going to click on APK Installer. And you see right there, Kodi 17.1. Click on that. Yes, we would like to download and install that. Yes. And let it do its thing. You'll see it'll download, and then there'll be an installer that'll pop up. and we'll have to click on the installer. Doesn't take very long. This new screen pops up. Do you want to install an update to this existing application? Yes, we do. So we would like to install that. Now you'll notice I'm using a keyboard and mouse, but you can do this with your remote control just the same. Keyboard and mouse makes it a lot easier to type in the web address and get around in this thing. But you can do it with the regular remote also. Now you can see the app's installed. Go ahead and click open. And you see, now we're on 17.1, Kodi. Now this is going to be a blank Kodi, except it does have the wizard. Now there's just one thing we've got to do before we can download anything. Kodi 17 makes you go in and tell it it's okay to put add-ons in there. So did you see what I just did? Right here on the main screen, click on this right here. This is how you get into settings. So click that, and then you go over here and click on System Settings. You only have to do this the first time. And then right here on Add-ons, you want to come over here when you're on the add-ons screen and go to Unknown Sources and click that on, and this pop-up will come in. And you want to click Yes. And then I also like to go up here and I like to click on Show Notifications. Once you do that, we can back out, and we're back on the home screen of Kodi 17. Go down here to where add-ons are, and you'll see the ultrawizard right there. Go ahead and click on it. The ultrawizard pops up. And I know everything doesn't look familiar. Kodi 17 looks different, but we're going to fix that with the new build. Okay, so we're going to click on the builds menu. And then I only have one build posted right now, UMC 1712. That stands for Ultra Media Center. We're going to click on that. It asks if you'd like to run a fresh start. We don't need to do that. We already cleaned all of Kodi and all its files out. We've got a good clean copy to put it on, so we're going to click No, and it's immediately going to start downloading and installing. So we'll let it do its thing. Depending on your internet speed, it might take you a little longer. I've got a good connection right here, and I download pretty fast. Yours might take a few minutes. Or, hey, maybe yours is faster than mine. I don't know. So you can see, looks like I've got 10 seconds to go for the download, and then once that's done, then it'll start installing. Okay, and here's where it starts installing. And once this progress bar is done, it'll tell us it's done, and then we'll have to close Kodi. And this will tell us exactly what we've got to do. We've just got to follow the prompts that it gives us in this window. So all you got to do is just read along and follow what it tells you to do, and you'll be up and running in just a minute here. I should have some updates that will streamline this process. I've worked on this for I don't know how many hours, trying to make this more of a 1 or 2 click solution. I'm telling you, I've been beating my head against the wall on this one. I'm stumped right now. But I'm not giving up. But like I said, follow this video and you'll be up and running. So you can see, download complete. Here we go. Click OK. And then right here, click on Force Close Kodi. You can see it closes. Now we're going to click on it. It's going to open up, and our build is loaded. Brand new build for Kodi 17. I've put in a few new things. It's running better than ever. A whole lot of HD sources, some new add-ons. Really running great. When it first opens up, you'll notice it'll take it a minute to download all the widgets up here right above the upper bar. Okay, here comes the music. Now we'll just go across and Okay, those haven't loaded yet. There we go. There's YouTube, system settings. Here comes the movies, and TV shows will fill in here in a second. You can see it's updating right here. And it's ready to run. I moved a couple things around a little bit. You'll notice that shutdown's now here. New add-on M4U for movies and TV shows. And right here in the all-in-one section, check out the pyramid. Really great. A lot of 4K content right there. So I hope you enjoyed this. And like I said, if you have any problems, just let me know and I'll be glad to help out. Just get me those boxes if you can't get this taken care of, and I'll get it fixed up for you. Thanks a lot.